Hello guys, Card Quest Collector here. Gonna be opening up a Surging Sparks booster bundle. Well, let's get into it. See if we got scammed or not. One, two, three, four, five, six. Pack number one. Cryogonal, Uxie, Shara Cadet, Shukum, Flappy, File, Jasmine's Gaze, Eevee Reverse, Volcarona Reverse, and Miltank EX. Better than nothing. Alright. Pack number two. Water Energy, Sigfill, Dolorodon, I can't pronounce that, Yamask, Callbell, Miraidon, Drayton, Iron Bundle, Minky, and Gouging Fire. Pack number three. Surging Sparks is my favorite Scarlet and Violet set. It has really cool artworks as well, which is why I like it so much. A lot of people like 151, other stuff like that. I personally like this set above all else. In Scarlet and Violet, of course. Dark Energy, Sky Marie, Tendamas, Vampy, Stunfisk, Xerneas, T-Orb, Flappy again, Helptile Reverse, Ninetales Reverse, very nice, and oh wow, Full Art Trainer, let's go. It's actually a good hit. This one gets a top loader. If I can get top open. There we go. Very nice, very nice. Alright, 2 out of 3 so far for hits. Not that bad. I don't think I'm going to open up any prismatic, mainly because the pull rates are so bad. A lot of people like the artworks around it though, which yeah, artworks are cool, but you have to open up 10 packs to get a basic hit. So, I personally don't like them. Journey Together is pretty good. Psychic Energy, EV Regular, Execute, Cast Form, Mesprit, Meddling Memo, Wo-Chien, Magneton, Scatterbug, Reverse, Diglett Reverse, and a Terrapagos Regular Hollow. Look at the artwork on that though. It's really nice. Alright, second to last pack. I can always hope for something good out of booster bundles. Usually nothing though, so. But they're cheaper than the booster boxes, so easier to get. Fighting Energy, Shellos, Dedenne, Mankey, Zebstrika, Dugtrio, look, they have hair, Wo-Chien, Zerlude, Dedenne Reverse, Shroudal Reverse, and an Eternatus. I think we used up all of our luck on this full art trainer right here. I'd be happy with an ace spec to finish this video. Alright, Energy, Scatterbug, Buffalint, Phoebus, Crocolore, Lucia's Appeal, Paldean Tauros, Technical Machine, Fluorite, Chien-Pao, Reverse, Dirt Ridge Reverse, and to finish the video out, oh my gosh, it's a Sylveon EX. That's actually a really cool artwork. Into the top letter you go. After yeah, there. Look at that. Best artwork today. Alright, that'll do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.